I'm Lindsay Burke, and I've been beekeeping almost all of my life. Full stop. I started when I was 23, full stop. And I'm the president of our company, which is Australian Honey Products, full stop. And we have 3 brands that we trade under: Cradle Mountain Honey, Taverners Creek Brewery, and Settlers Honey Farm, full stop, new paragraph. We export to many Asian countries and other countries as well, but China, Korea, Japan, over 60% of all of the honey that we export goes to China, full stop. The free trade agreement is wonderful for us because it gives us the stability, full stop. We know that we're going to grow, and it's enabled us to employ more people, full stop, more local people, full stop. And it's worked out very well for our business because we can train them to do the beekeeping as we like the beekeeping to be done, full stop, new paragraph. We've already set this in motion, we have 6 trainee beekeepers at the moment, we're going to have to employ more, full stop. We're going to have to expand with more machinery, more packing lines, and a beautiful premises being built at the moment will be finished in 3 months' time, full stop, new paragraph. The Chinese market is very important to our business because when you're establishing relationships, and we understand now that they really value our products, full stop. We have almost on a weekly basis delegates from China coming to visit us in our own hometown here in Tasmania, and quite often they want to come into the rainforest, and see the honey that's being produced, full stop, new paragraph. The free trade agreement with Asia is very good for our business, because we know that we can expand, we know that we will be able to put on more people, and we know that we will be able to sell it in different ways, full stop. Less bulk, more packed product, more value adding, which is good for us, full stop. If you can do that, you can get suppliers making labels for you, and you can employ a lot more people, full stop. Hello, Dragon.